Baby, look at mama. Come on up here and look at mama. Okay, come on, get up here. Let me see you. Let me take a look at that, at your face. Come here. Come on up here. See, look at what you look at the truck. See, look at all that you're missing. And I want you to miss out on all of this. I would love to take this muzzle off, but you know what happened when I did that yesterday? I had to put it back on. And it's hard to get that on you when you are highly nervous and upset. But I had to do it before I brought you in. Yeah, see? Look at the couple over there walking down the street. Yeah, see? See? It's okay. It's okay.